Today our topic is what is sustainable supply chain. First of all, we need to understand what is a sustainable supply chain. Sustainability is becoming a major focus in today's world, and people now expect organizations to have sustainable practices in place. Organizations that embrace sustainability will have a competitive advantage to those that do not. This video will give you an understanding of what sustainability is, how to apply it. As per Professor of Organizational Behavior Ramnatamalu, tools such as enterprise carbon management, carbon and energy footprint analysis, and life cycle assessment help companies identify the sources of waste in supply chains. Within organizations, sustainability issues lie with strategic level decision-making on corporate social responsibility and carry serious implications for procurement and supply chain management. Sustainability in supply chain management generally refers to continuous accountability for risk and negative impact caused by a range of actions along the supply chain. Sustainability efforts are also aimed at enhancing fairness and positive benefits for suppliers, workers, customers, end users, and any other stakeholders. In addition, sustainable procurement practices can maximize business security by ensuring that supply chains are robust and shock-proofed against sudden changes in price, availability, and quality. As per Beeman and Prakash, driven by legislation and increasing environmental awareness, sustainability has become an important issue among leading organizations, research institutions, and policymakers at national and international levels. As per the Department for Environment, UK, a sustainable supply chain demonstrates a long-term commitment to procurement and supply chain management that considers the environmental, social, and economic consequences of design, non-renewable material use, manufacture and production methods, logistics, service delivery, use, operation, maintenance, reuse, recycling options, disposal, and suppliers' capabilities to address these consequences throughout the supply chain. For successful application, consult a wide variety of sources before deciding to implement a sustainability strategy. For example, Number 1, United Nations Global Compact Report, 2010, outlines several broad areas for implementation. Number 2, UK Department for Environment, Food and Rural Affairs. Number 3, UK Local Government Improvement and Development Agency. Both offer information and advice on sustainable procurement and supply chain management. For successful application, the following steps should be followed. Number 1, develop a business case. To become familiar with supply chain sustainability, develop a business case, explore the organization's external environment and establish a vision. Number 2, creating a code of conduct. Establish sustainability expectations by creating a code of conduct and using it. Number 3, determine the scope. Determine the scope by mapping and segmenting the supply chain. Number 4, engage with suppliers. Engage with suppliers, select communication channels, monitor and evaluate them, and focus on supplier capability building. Number 5, determine roles and responsibilities. Determine roles and responsibilities within the organization, such as internal alignment, governance, and executive leadership, and cross-functional coordination among business managers. Number 6, focus on the context. Focus on the context for industry-level collaboration on sustainability issues, its opportunities and risks. And number 7, establish the goal-setting process. Establish the goal-setting process, measure processes and practices, and communicate progress. The performance can be measured through the triple bottom line and the flexible framework. Triple bottom line, TBL, is a framework that emphasizes that businesses should not only focus on financial profitability but also prioritize social and environmental responsibility. TBL considers the impact of an organization's operations on 3 dimensions of sustainability: social, environmental, and economical. The flexible framework, a self-assessing tool on an organization's performance on sustainable procurement produced by the UK Sustainable Procurement Task Force, involves assessing Number 1, people. Number 2, policy, strategy, and communications. Number 3 Procurement process. Number 4 Suppliers spend. And number 5 Measurements and results. Sustainable procurement refers to the process of acquiring goods and services in a way that considers environmental, social, and economic impacts. Implementing sustainable procurement practices can offer various advantages to organizations, communities, and the environment. Key advantages of sustainable procurement are: Number 1 Cost savings through resource efficiency. Number 2 Enhanced supplier relationship. Number 3 Compliance with regulatory authority. Number 4 Improved brand reputation. Number 5 Innovation and access to sustainable procurement. Number 6 Risk mitigation and supply chain resilience. Number 7 Employee engagement and social responsibility. And number 8 Long-term economic growth and stability. Sustainable procurement refers to the process of purchasing goods and services in a way that takes into account environmental, social, and economic impacts. While this approach has numerous benefits, there are also several disadvantages to consider. Key disadvantages are: Number 1 Higher initial costs. Number 2 Limited supplier options. Number 3 Potential supply chain disruptions. Number 4 Difficulty in measuring sustainability. Number 5 Complex compliance requirements. Number 6 Increased administrative burden. Number 7 Risk of greenwashing. And number 8 Challenging stakeholder engagement. Conclusion: Sustainability in supply chain management is vital for modern organizations, as it mitigates risks, reduces negative impacts, and enhances fairness and benefits for all stakeholders. Implementing sustainable practices leads to long-term business resilience, improved brand reputation, and potential cost savings. Engaging with suppliers and setting clear sustainability goals are critical steps on this journey. Sustainable procurement is a strategic approach that delivers multiple advantages, including enhanced economic performance, environmental responsibility, and social equity. By committing to sustainable practices, organizations not only improve their operations but also contribute to global sustainability efforts. Emphasizing sustainable procurement can offer a competitive edge and generate a positive societal impact. While sustainable procurement promotes environmental and social responsibility, it is crucial for organizations to acknowledge and address the associated disadvantages. Balancing sustainability with practicality and cost-effectiveness is essential for long-term success. Organizations must weigh these disadvantages against the benefits to make informed procurement decisions. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, if you have not already subscribed this channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post new videos. Provide your feedback in comments. You can download material from the below links under video.